In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create group items or bundles in QuickBooks Online. Bundles, also called group items, let you sell several products or services together with a single click. They're perfect for common packages, like a service fee paired with materials or a starter kit made up of multiple parts. Instead of adding each component line by line on a sales form, the bundle pulls them in for you, keeping pricing consistent and saving time across your team. Start on the Get Things Done page in QuickBooks Online. Move your mouse over all apps to open the categories, then hover over Sales and Get Paid. From there, select Products and Services. This is your master catalog for everything you sell and the place where we'll build the group. In the Products and Services list, look to the upper right and choose New Product/Service. When the item types appear, select Bundle. This tells QuickBooks you're creating a grouped item rather than a single product or service. Enter a clear, recognizable name for the bundle. Keep it short but specific so it's easy to find during invoicing. A consistent naming convention, like starting with bundle followed by the purpose or contents, can help everyone on your team identify it quickly. Next, type a sales description. This appears on customer-facing documents, so use plain language that explains what's included and the value the customer is getting. A concise description reduces questions and keeps your quotes professional. Now, add the components. In the Items Included section, click into the item name field and begin typing the name of a product or service you already track in QuickBooks. Select it from the suggestions. Repeat this for each component you want in the package until the bundle reflects everything you sell together. A quick note on how bundles work. They are not standalone inventory items. They don't have their own quantity on hand or unique income account. All tracking and accounting come from the individual components you select. That means if a part should reduce stock or post to a specific income category, make sure that individual item is already set up correctly before you use it in a bundle. Take a moment to review your selections and the order of the components. Consistent ordering can make invoices clearer to customers and reports easier to read. When everything looks good, click. Save and close. Your new bundle now appears in the Products and Services list. The next time you create an invoice, estimate, or sales receipt, add the bundle, and QuickBooks will automatically pull in each component with its existing details. That's it. Your workflow just got faster, clearer, and more consistent.